Here's some business advice that's blindingly obvious once you know it. It doesn't matter how good it is that you do whatever it is that you do. If your offer is structured unintelligently, you're making it really difficult for future customers or clients to make a decision. I see this as the biggest point of friction in sales and marketing. It's not what it is that you do or how you do it. It's how you present the offer. It's how you package up whatever it is that you do, what it is that you do. Now, we have a framework, a 4-part framework that we call the FUSE method. F-U-S-E, the FUSE method. Let me break this down. F stands for fist pumping moment. What is the outcome that somebody's going to get when they buy your product or service? So that's the first question everyone wants to know. What do I get? What is the fist pumping moment? Can you build that into the name? So for example, we have a training program called 16 VIPs in 6 weeks. It's about how to get 16 meetings with very interested prospects in 6 weeks. The fist pumping moment is built into the name. It explicitly answers the question, what do I get? If you want to level up the name, also put in a quantifiable element. So in that case, it's how many meetings in a time frame. That's the F, fist pumping moment. A good fist pumping moment is usually the inverse of a headache that they have. U stands for use case certainty. If the first question is, what do I get? The second question is, will it work for me? So let's give our future customers and clients use case certainty. So an example of that is name the target audience. Just name them up front. Number 2, social proof testimonials. Number 3, if you have some sort of methodology, that's really, really helpful. This is the process that we use to help target audience get fist pumping moment. F-U-S, speed to outcome. Most people offer these transformative solutions. We're going to help you with everything. And it's always transformative. It doesn't reassure people. It's not confidence inspiring, offering the world. Smaller promises get bigger conversions. So start with a smaller promise. 16 VIPs in 6 weeks is not, let's fix all your sales and marketing. We're going to focus on this one little thing first. So if you can come up with a smaller promise, you can usually offer to do it in a shorter frame of time. And that's reassuring for people. F-U-S-E. E stands for effort. No one wants to put in any effort. You know, you say, do you want change? Everyone goes, yeah, I want change. You say, do you want to change? No, I don't want to change. Change is frightening. Which means that if you are able to offer a smaller promise in a smaller time frame, you can usually create systems or structures or processes where your customer or client needs to put in less effort. F-U-S-E, FUSE method. Break those things down into a package and you'll find yourself with an offer that is outrageously compelling, because people don't buy what it is that you do, they buy the offer that you make.